Imagine money that exists only online. This is cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional money, which you can hold in your hand or store in a bank, cryptocurrency exists purely in the digital realm. It's a revolutionary concept that's changing the way we think about financial transactions. It's a digital form of money that uses cryptography for security. This means that transactions are incredibly secure and nearly impossible to counterfeit. Cryptography ensures that each transaction is verified and recorded on a public ledger, known as the blockchain. Cryptocurrency is important because it changes how we think about money. It introduces the idea of decentralization, where no single entity has control over the entire network. This is a stark contrast to traditional financial systems, which are often centralized and controlled by banks or governments. It's not controlled by governments or banks. Instead, it operates on a peer-to-peer network, allowing for direct transactions between individuals. This can lead to lower transaction fees and faster transfer times, making it an attractive option for many. This makes it different from the money we use every day. Traditional currencies are subject to inflation and other economic factors that can affect their value. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is often designed to be deflationary, with a limited supply that can increase in value over time. Cryptocurrency is still new, but it's growing fast. The market for digital currencies has expanded rapidly in recent years, with more and more people investing in and using cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions. More and more people are using it every day. From buying coffee to investing in real estate, the applications of cryptocurrency are vast and varied. This growing adoption is a testament to its potential to revolutionize the financial world. It's an exciting development in the world of finance. The technology behind cryptocurrency, including blockchain, is paving the way for new innovations and possibilities in various industries, from finance to supply chain management. It's important to learn about cryptocurrency. As it becomes more integrated into our daily lives, understanding how it works and its potential impact is crucial. Education and awareness can help you make informed decisions about using and investing in digital currencies. Understanding it could change how you use and think about money in the future. By staying informed and embracing this new technology, you can be part of the financial revolution that cryptocurrency promises to bring. Cryptocurrency is digital. Unlike traditional money, it doesn't have a physical form. It doesn't exist in physical form like coins or bills. Instead, it is entirely virtual, existing only in the digital realm. Instead, it exists as entries on a digital ledger. This ledger is a secure, decentralized record of all transactions. Think of this ledger as a giant online record book. Every transaction is meticulously recorded and verified. Each transaction is recorded securely on this ledger. The security is ensured through complex cryptographic algorithms. Although digital, cryptocurrency has real value. People use it to buy goods, invest, and even save for the future. You can buy and sell goods and services with it. From coffee shops to online retailers, many places accept it. Many businesses now accept cryptocurrency as payment. This growing acceptance is making it more mainstream. Its value fluctuates, just like traditional currencies. Market demand and supply influence its price. However, its digital nature makes it easy to transfer and use globally. You can send it across borders in seconds without the need for intermediaries. Cryptocurrency is decentralized. This means no single entity controls it. Not governments, not banks, not companies. Instead, it operates on a network of computers around the world. These computers work together to validate and record transactions. This decentralization is a key feature of cryptocurrency. It makes it resistant to censorship and control. It empowers individuals by giving them more control over their money. This is a revolutionary concept in finance. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin remains the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency in the world today. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, have emerged. These altcoins have been developed to address various limitations and to introduce new features that Bitcoin does not offer. Each altcoin has its own unique features and purposes. Some are designed to improve transaction speed, while others focus on enhancing security or providing more privacy. Some altcoins focus on privacy, offering users the ability to make transactions without revealing their identities. Others are built to offer faster transaction speeds, making them more suitable for everyday use. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving and innovating. Developers and researchers are continuously working on new technologies and solutions to improve the functionality and security of these digital currencies. Cryptocurrency has many potential use cases. It can be used for online shopping, investment, and even as a means of raising funds for new projects through initial coin offerings, ICOs. It can facilitate cross-border payments, enable secure online transactions, and create new forms of digital assets. The versatility and potential of cryptocurrency continue to grow as more people and businesses adopt this innovative technology. In summary, cryptocurrency is a digital, decentralized currency secured by cryptography. It's reshaping our understanding of money and transactions. Now, it's important to note that while crypto trading can be incredibly rewarding, it also comes with significant risks. To avoid losing money, gaining a solid understanding of the market is crucial. On this channel, we'll provide you with all the essential information and strategies you need to succeed in trading. We're here to guide you through every step of your crypto journey. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more valuable insights. Join us in the next video as we explore the fascinating history of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching and see you next time.